Peaky Blinders Season 6 theories have been emerging since it was announced the series was coming back for another outing. We know many questions are there in the mind of the fans, like how Season 6 will start, is there will be any link with Season 5 finale, who are the returning characters, will Oswald Mosley be surely returned or not, will the series follow his real life, will we can see Hitler. Those who are new to our channel, please subscribe it now and also click the bell icon so that you don't miss anything from 3R Mojos. Recently, Peaky Blinders director Anthony Byrne has opened up about how Season 6 will begin. Is it following the 10th Season 5 finale or not? We all know that Peaky Blinders wrapped up Series 5 on a depressing note after Burmese gangster contemplated Tommy departing the mortal plane after he was betrayed by someone close to him. Tommy Shelby was seen in a state of distress in a field as he held a gun to his head. But as always, Tommy made down but not out, and is going to be coming back with a vengeance when the 6th outing airs. Speaking to Digital Spy, Byrne explained that Season 6 will pick up straight from this moment as audiences find out Shelby's fate. It picks up directly, he said. So the very first image you will see will be back in that field. Tommy with a gun to his head. Then we will move on from there. We resolved that amazing moment. It's great. Byrne also teased the introduction of a new female character in Season 6, which halted production earlier this year due to coronavirus. There is a great female character who is new, who is pretty dark. I have not seen a character like her in Peaky before. I won't say who she is, he added, but she certainly gives Tommy a run for his money. She challenges him in a different way basically. She is certainly not a protagonist, and I don't know if she is an antagonist. As we all know that Oswald Mosley has now been confirmed to be returning. So another question arises now. Could Adolf Hitler be making an appearance? As Knight confirmed previously that in Series 6 there will be a figure from history who may surprise people. Hitler was a guest of honor at the wedding ceremony. Also, Mosley previously met with both Hitler and Italian fascist dictator Benito Mussolini, which helped to foster his own racist ideals and inspired him to form the British Union of Fascists. So there is a plenty of scope here for Hitler or perhaps another member of the Nazi party appearing in Season 6. Meanwhile, there is a big news. Creator Steve Knight has revealed that Jason Statham was the original first choice to play Shelby on Peaky Blinders. So friends, that's enough spoilers for today. All the debate and expectations will be ended when the Season 6 will start. Till then, we will bring up to you all the updates about Peaky Blinders Season 6 time to time. Which historical character would you want to see in Season 6? You can tell us in comments below. Whoever is still not subscribed our channel, please subscribe it now and must click the bell icon next to it.